Hello everyone. Recipe for making filter coffee. Filter coffee refers to coffee that is brewed by passing hot water through ground coffee beans, typically using a paper or metal filter. This method is also known as drip brewing. The process involves placing ground coffee in a filter which is usually housed in a drip brew basket and then allowing hot water to drip or pass through the coffee grounds. The filtered liquid, which is now infused with the coffee flavors and aromas, is collected in a pot or carafe below. Here's a general guide on how to make filter coffee. Ingredients and equipment: freshly ground coffee beans, water, coffee maker with a filter basket, can be automatic drip coffee maker or manual pour over equipment, coffee filter, paper or metal depending on the method. Procedure: Number 1. Measure the coffee. The ratio of coffee to water can vary based on personal preference, but a common starting point is around 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds for every 6 ounces of water. Number 2. Prepare the filter. Place a paper or metal filter in the filter basket of your coffee maker. Number 3. Add coffee grounds. Put the measured coffee grounds into the filter. Number 4. Add water. Fill the coffee maker's water reservoir with the desired amount of water. Number 5. Brew. Start the brewing process. In an automatic drip coffee maker, this involves pressing a button to initiate the brewing cycle. For a manual pour over method, you'd pour hot water over the coffee grounds in a controlled manner. Number 6. Collect the coffee. The brewed coffee will drip down into the pot or carafe beneath the filter. Number 7. Serve. Pour the filtered coffee into your favorite mug and enjoy. Filter coffee is known for its clean and well-balanced taste. It allows for a gradual extraction of flavors from the coffee grounds, resulting in a smoother and less oily beverage compared to other brewing methods like the French press. Enjoy your homemade filter coffee. Thank you.